Hello, good morning all. Welcome to science class. So today we are entering the new chapter that's about the light. As we studied from 6th standard, that is light, shadows and reflections, one of the chapter. Okay, just remind about the chapter and what are the important points that we studied there. A light always travels in a straight line. Okay, a light has a capacity to reflect. Light makes shadows. Okay, and for all these phenomena, we can see that light is traveling as a beam of light. We can see when we are observing that when sunlight is passing to a room through a small slit or through a small hole, we can see it is in the form of a beam. So this beam of light always travels in a straight line and it has a capacity to reflect. You can see figure 15.4, the reflection of the lion in the water. One story behind it. One story that we learned from nursery classes about the reflection of lion's face in the well. Okay, remind about that. So behind all this, what is the phenomena? The reflection of light. And also we this observed a number of experimental results, that is making beautiful pattern by using a comb, mirror and a torchlight. Okay, in all this we can see or we can identify the process of reflection of light. Okay, here also in this chapter also you can see a number of activities, figure 15.6, figure 15.7. all these are the different activities, and in all these activities the property of reflection of light is explaining. And all these activities are well explaining about the image formation. Image formed by a plane mirror. In all these activities, what type of mirror we are using? The plane mirror that we are usually using at the time of dressing while going to school and to other places. Okay. So, first of all, we have to study what are the properties of image formed by a plane mirror. So, in the first activity, you can see the image of one candle. It is forming in the plane mirror, and the size of the image, it is same like that of the candle's size. And the second activity, you can see that the image of a small sharpener located in one of the box of the chessboard. And in this activity we can see that the image, the distance between the object and the image, that is also object and the mirror, that is same. Okay, another property of the image formed by plane mirror, it is always in the same distance with the same size and also erect. നേരെ നിൽക്കുന്ന ഒരു ഇമേജാണ് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, നോട്ട് ആസ് അപ്സൈഡ് ഡൗൺ. ആർ യു റിമെമ്പറിങ് അബൌട്ട് ദ ഇമേജ് ഫോംഡ് ബൈ എ pinhole camera? Yes, pinhole camera is always making the images as upside down, not erect images. So here we will get the erect image. തലകുത്തനെയുള്ള ഇമേജ് ആണോ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നത്? അല്ല. So the image formed by this plane mirror, that is always the same size, same distance and also erect images. And another peculiarity of this, another activity you can see in figure 15.8. One boy is standing in front of the mirror and he is raising its right hand. At the same time, the image is raising the left hand. Another interesting property of the image formed by the plane mirror. And we usually we notice that the ambulance, over the top of the ambulance, how it is written? Yes, from the right to left it is using the letters. Okay, so why it is like this? The driver of other vehicle, the another vehicles, they have to read ambulance written on it and want to give way to this ambulance. Okay, it is a duty of everyone of us to allow the ambulance to pass without blocking its way. So as a conclusion we can say the image formed by a plane mirror is always erect, നേരെ നിൽക്കുന്ന image. It is virtual. Virtual image means not a real one. Virtual image means it is not a real image and is of the same size as the object. The image is at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. So these are the peculiarities of the image formed by a plane mirror. In this chapter, we have to study something more about the different types of mirrors. Usually, we are calling as the spherical mirrors. So, spherical mirrors appears like that of a sphere, halfly cutted sphere. Take a ball and cut this ball in its center, exactly at the center. So, we'll get two equal halves. The spherical mirrors look like this. Okay. In activity 15.5 you can see the formation of image by the help of one spoon. Spoon has two sides, one curved inside and also one bulged outside. Just observe your face by using this tool. So you can see the image formed by the outer side of the spoon. That is somewhat different from that of the image formed by the inner side of the spoon. Outer side of the spoon, how it look like? It is like that of the image formed by the plane mirror, that is erect image, and also a little larger. But what about the inside? Look the image figure 15.11. Yes, it is upside down. That is a real image, not the erect image. Real image. So this curved shining surface of a spoon acts as a mirror. Okay. So spherical mirrors appears like this. For a spherical mirrors, we can see two surfaces. One is the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is curved to inside. Such kind of mirrors are called concave mirror. Figure 15.12 you can see what is a concave mirror. The reflecting surface that is to inward and the other one, if the reflecting surface is convex, there is a convex mirror bulged to outside, then we can call it is the convex mirror. The inner surface of a spoon acts like that of a concave mirror, while the outer surface of a spoon acts like that of a convex mirror. Okay, so next class we will study what are the peculiarities of the image formed by a concave mirror and convex mirror. Thank you.